Predators that use extraordinary senses to seek out prey. Creatures that change at will to hide and to hunt. Tiny beings that help others many times their size. All living in a sanctuary protected by a government body. This is the story of the marine parks of Malaysia and their role as the guardians of the reef. Three-quarters of our planet is oceans. Of this, the heart of biodiversity, our precious coral reefs, represent one of the most prolific ecosystems on Earth. This is where Malaysia lies, at the hub of the Indo-Pacific region, fringed by the most diverse of tropical waters. These seas are the natural home of countless marine plants and animals. In this fascinating but fragile realm, survival demands more than hiding from one's enemies or forming alliances. For a fish or any other sea creature, this bountiful home can be fraught with danger. But the greatest threat of all comes not from within, it's human encroachment. Destructive fishing methods and overfishing burdens the marine ecosystem, while coastal development and sedimentation damages reefs. To protect this unique heritage of reefs and their remarkable ecosystem, marine parks were introduced in Malaysia, embracing 2 nautical miles of sea around 40 selected islands. The establishment of Marine Parks Order 1994 prohibits any action harmful to the marine ecosystem. Today, marine parks come under a federal agency within the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment. This division is empowered to manage the parks for ecotourism, education, research, and to enforce regulations aimed at protecting our marine heritage. Malaysia's outstanding marine parks are not hard to find. Off the coast of Kedah and across the peninsula, off the coasts of Terengganu, Pahang and Johor, and crossing the South China Sea off the western coast of Sabah. These islands and reefs support varied ecosystems, each with unique species contributing to astounding biodiversity. Mangroves offer a combination of terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. These provide natural protection for land, absorbing wave energy and helping to stabilize the coastline. The ground in this intertidal zone is deficient in oxygen. In spite of this, the mangrove teems with life. To survive in conditions that are unstable, salty, waterlogged and anaerobic, mangroves evolve unique features. This maze of roots offers fish and fry an ideal hiding place from predators. More importantly, they act as natural breeding grounds, migrating later to coral reefs and beyond. Further out in shallow water are meadows of seagrass. These marine flowering plants also shelter young invertebrates and fish. Seagrass beds are not as barren as it looks. Patience and good observational skills are required to enjoy many of the sea's wonderful creatures that are oftentimes well camouflaged. The fingered dragonnet likes to stay close to the bottom as it forages for food. Out in the open, the graceful green turtle regularly visits for its daily supply of seagrass. Of all marine ecosystems, coral reefs are undeniably the most magnificent. Like mangroves, coral reefs help prevent coastal erosion. They can absorb the potentially damaging impact of breaking waves. The best way to enjoy the splendors of our coral reefs is to snorkel or scuba dive, especially during the non-monsoon months from March to November. Corals need sunlight to produce food. Malaysia's warm, sunny climate of around 32 degrees Celsius in the daytime inspires vibrant reefs that are abundant with life. Over 500 species of hard coral are found in Malaysia. Many are named after their unusual shape. Common varieties include brain, mushroom, and cabbage corals. Hard corals are responsible for the building of reefs. This fantastic structure of limestone is courtesy of a special relationship between the animal and millions of single-celled